We as a collective body of people, once again, just want to put you in the highest place. We want to honor your name, to give you great praise that you are worthy of, deserve it. Come on, church, let's sing full of faith. My hope is built on nothing less than Jesus' blood and righteousness. Come on. I dare not trust the sweetest frame, but wholly trust in Jesus' name. My hope is built